In this video I'm going to show you how to collaborate on Instagram post. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, open Instagram on your iPhone or Android, pretty much same step, and add any content like photos, videos. Just tap on plus icon in this bottom. Then as you can see, here's open gallery, and I'm selecting that video, shorts video. Then you can add any post, then tap on next, and it's open preview. You can adjust filter or music, then tap on next, and here is option is tag people. So tap on tag people, and you can tag someone or invite collaborator. So if you tap on invite collaborate, so tap on invite collaborator and enter that person name or account name, just like that. I'm going to invite that person like this. Then here's that person or account added. You can show profile category like this. You can see here showing personal blog, or you can hide it. So if then tap on done, then that person can then that person received an invitation link, and then if that person if this person accept, then it will appear on post. Then tap on share, and this post sharing on your Instagram profile. So it's uploading. It take few seconds or minute, it depend on your file size. As you can see, it's open that video, and if I tap here, as you can see here showing that's that person name. Tap here to show in these reels showing that person name. So that way you can collaborate on Instagrams. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.